A paper just came out looking at biomarkers of migraine in blood. What did they find? And more importantly, how will this matter to patients?
These researchers looked at four different biomarkers. These are blood test results that are substances that we know are part of the migraine cascade. They looked at CGRP. They looked at something called PACAP38. It's been something that's been on the radar screen of researchers for the last several years. No drugs on the market to treat in that arena yet. And they also looked at something called vasoactive intestinal peptide, VIP, which has also been shown to be involved in migraine development, and substance P, another long-acting pro-inflammatory molecule that's released into the bloodstream and into the nerves and brains of patients with migraine during attacks. The question is, can you draw blood samples and look at those, and do any of those match up with a bona fide migraine diagnosis? And the answer that they came up with was that this VIP molecule turns out to be the one that is elevated during a migraine attack and then goes back to normal in between attacks. There was no consistency on PACAP or substance P, and the CGRP marker was elevated even interictally in migraine patients. So we don't have any clinical trials to really put these to the test and show how they're, do the validation work. We have to take these small studies like this and then develop a hypothesis and then do the real validation work, which will get us within, the sensitivity and specificity of the testing. But this is suggestive that we may be able to do blood markers to help zero in on the migraine diagnosis from a blood test standpoint, something we've never been able to do.